normally smack the dicks half to death, but what the hell?
Time to end this. Your death easy. You have to force my hand. You have.
Oh, it's him! He was the one I was firing at the time! Dee-dee-dum! Well, I've been looking for you, sweet and sour ass motherfucker.
Think your little resistance is ready to be London's protectors?
After taking you out, we're off to a good start.
Oh, it's a thankless burden. And the people will hate you for it in the end. Even when it's for their own bloody good.
That's not for you to decide. That's for the people to decide.
There it is. Dead Six fatal flaw. Your faith in people. You recruit all types, don't you, straight off the streets. Well, I used to have faith in people too. I got a good man killed once.
Oh! Okay.
Well, that strikes Nigel Cass off the list. Shame. I think he would have made a smashing 0 day.
We have plenty of work still to do. Cass may be gone, but Albion won't disappear that easily. Expect the powers that be to find fresh excuses to keep them on the streets. That said, I think we've earned ourselves a bit of a rest. From 0 day as well.
I don't ask you to use your fucking... Just think, I know my rights.
Oi, you put down a mad dog, dead sick. Needed to be. Done. This calls for a celebration, innit? And now that I'm not being hunted by a psychopath, I think I'd like to see that safe house of yours. Link me there.
Oh! This is just... Oh my gosh. No, it's a game going back 8 years ago, but it's the... This guy's a legend.
Welcome to DedSec Central, Hamish. Enough to convince you to join us?
Nah, mate. Gotta maintain my free agent status. Not enough booby traps in this place. Still, I'm glad we linked up. Don't know who else would have had the bollocks to take on Cass. Losing their psycho cult leader is gonna hurt Albion, no doubt. But trust me, fam, they won't pack it in so easily. Hope Dead Six got some fight left in it.
Taking time out from the exciting world of online contracts, Nout?
A well-deserved one. Since we teamed up, the corporate class are thinking twice about fucking with London. See what happened to Castle Adam pissing in their trousers. The tide is turning, me. Keep fighting, and I'll fight along with you. Laters.
Driscoll.
Probably never thought you would be partying with that sack, did you, Inspector?
I'm only human, and we've got a lot to celebrate. Cass finally got what was coming to him, and with Mary gone, the Kellys are on the back foot for once. DedSec is making it hard to be a bad guy in London. Until the Met gets its bollocks back, I'm still on Team DedSec.
I know a lot of you viewers are thinking about, can we do, trying to think of the game, Cyberpunk 2077, yeah, absolutely, we might be able to do PS5 somewhere down the lines, absolutely, never say never.
I don't think I like you laughing at us, Malik. You have something to say it.
And spoil my one source of entertainment. I'll give you a hint. Spooky voice, catchy name, bit of a drama queen. Or did you just forget that you haven't actually found Zero Day? You looked at Albion, Sirs, the Kellys, even Sky Bloody Larson. Have you ever considered that instead of looking outside, you should be looking in?
We have a problem. Come talk to me.
Oh.
Sorry to spoil the party, but you have an uninvited guest in the DedSec network. They're downloading all the tech we require from a remote device labeled Britannia.
What the hell?
DedSec. The name is Zero Day. We met before, in a past life. This city needed a villain, and you were perfect for the part. Now I have you playing a different role. While you've been running around trying to save this city, you've actually been arming us for a war. But then, it isn't always for us to know the role we play. And sometimes, once we've played it, our role is to die.
Zero Day has stolen from us.
Here's where I would remind you that I've been trying to warn you about the zero-day threat, if I was not feeling machine.
Trace that signal, Bagley.
I can't pinpoint the origin of the commands, but the admin accessed the drive through an IP range dedicated to autonomous vehicles. I have a general geolocation for it, and I suggest you make a visit now.
I'll check on the dock in a minute. How's it going, Solo? What the door? That's very impressive, yeah. Oh, there's a historic thing in London about Towers phone boxes at the moment too. That's
I've sent you the general location of the zero-day hacker signal. As I said, I don't have their specific coordinates, so you'll have to search the area. Good luck and Godspeed.
Thank you, Bagley.
Getting arsehole and throwing bits of metal around has got to count as training somehow.
Isn't it funny? I know we're close to finishing this game, and reality is you kind of got to work to make the cash. But on the other hand, do you say that? Damn, Waddle 2 days could.
You're close to the origin point of the signal that hacked our network. The origin of the hacker signal is really close now. It'll be coming from a van.
Okay, let's find that van and get our hacker.
The van is driverless, but it does seem to be protected by armed drones. So, new plan, keep close enough to it while I trace the controlling signal.
Fuck. Alright, but I'm blaming you if this gets me killed.
I'll be sure to pass that on with your remains.
What?
I thought you understood our partnership. You go out into the field risking life, limb and liberty, and I do hard bits. But I can't do hard bits if you don't stay close enough to the target. Look, I'll even mark its new location on your map. Oh, thank you, Bagley. You're so clever and kind to do everything for me. Oh, you're welcome, random operative.
was deployed to arrest the suspect.
Urgent call. Possible hostile at your location. Received. Moving in hostile direction.